कर रिकॉर्डिंग।
हाँ जी।
हरमीत के लिए हरमीत ने जो आज का उनका जो शेर पंजाब की जर्नी उन्होंने शेयर की, इसके लिए हम जोरदार उनका स्वागत करेंगे। क्लैप करते हैं हरमीत के लिए।
Thank you very much. Thank you guys. You were really great. Thank you very much.
ओके, अभी मेरे
Thank
एक दो
you for
क्वेश्चन
joining.
है, ठीक
Very
है
happy.
हरमीत? आपने आपने जो भी
हाँ जी।
हेलो, आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
हाँ जी।
ओके,
हाँ
ठीक है।
बिल्कुल आ रही है।
तो हरमीत, आपने जो इस ब्रांड को बिल्ड करने के लिए कितना समय लगा आपको?
तो इस ब्रांड को बिल्ड करने के लिए अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ कि शुरू से जब हमने इसके ऊपर सोचा कि एक एक इस टाइप का प्रोडक्ट लाना है मार्केट में, तो आई वुड से ऑलमोस्ट 15-16 इयर्स, क्योंकि 2004 से ऑलमोस्ट 2003 एंड से माय फादर स्टार्टेड वर्किंग ऑन दिस एंड स्लोली ग्रेजुअली वी कुड आल्सो सी कि जर्नलिज्म में अब जैसे हमारे रीजनल न्यूज मैगजीन और न्यूज़पेपर थे, पंजाबी में थे, उर्दू में थे, तो इतना ज्यादा जो आपको एडवर्टाइजमेंट से आपकी इनकम आती, तो वो भी धीरे धीरे डाइवर्ट हो रहा था, वो सारा एडवर्टाइजमेंट सारी मीडिया की तरफ। सो ही वांटेड टू टेक दिस नेम टू द होल, टू एवरी हाउस होल्ड बेसिकली। तो उसके लिए अब एवरी हाउस होल्ड पहुंचने के लिए तो ऐसा कुछ चाहिए जो एवरी हाउस होल्ड में हो, एवरी हाउस होल्ड खाता हो पीता हो, तो कैसे जाओ। तो ही रियली थॉट अबाउट इट वेरी टू मच कि क्या चीज है जो इंडियन पसंद करते हैं, क्या चीज है। तो एक ही चीज हम, आई थिंक ही वाज ओवर अ कप ऑफ टी, उसको उनको लगा कि पहले वो आटा थे, ही वाज वर्किंग फॉर अ फ्लावर, बट देन ही रियलाइज्ड फ्लावर हर कोई अपने पसंद से करता है, लेता है। Then slowly gradually he started with tea, and then उसके लिए he went to the tea gardens, he looked for tea gardens कि कौन से tea gardens क्या कर सकते हैं, किस तरीके से हम इसको ले सकते हैं। So he realized कि ऑक्शन से टी सारे लोग खरीदते हैं। ऑक्शन का ये होता है, जो ऑक्शन में स्टॉक होता है ना, उसका वो सब ब्लेंडेड माल होता है, एवरीथिंग इज मिक्स्ड, there's no authenticity to that। और ऑक्शन से ही एवरी टी जो होलसेलर होता है ना, वो ऑक्शन से ही लेता है। डायरेक्टली गार्डन से बहुत कम लोग ले सकते हैं जिनके पास लाइसेंस होता है। हर कोई गार्डन विल ओनली एंटरटेन यू इफ यू हैव अ लाइसेंस। ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई ही सेड मुझे जाना ही नहीं ऑक्शन में, बिकॉज़ व्हेन ही सॉ द ऑक्शन ही सेड मुझे जाना ही नहीं है, मुझे चाहिए ही गार्डन से। आई वांट टू टेक अ गार्डन फ्रेश टी टू द मार्केट। So that's how he really went all the way, and he actually struggled a lot, बड़ी मुश्किल हुई उनको ये लाइसेंस और ये सब लेने में। Then he went to different gardens, and then he started studying about different quality of tea। बहुत क्वालिटी है चाय की, बहुत क्वालिटी, मतलब एक नॉर्मल इंसान नहीं पहचान सकता, इतनी चाय में इतनी डिफरेंट डिफरेंट क्वालिटीज आती है, हर चाय सेम लगती है, आप नहीं बता सकते उसको। So that's how he sort of decided on tea, and I think almost 15 years आज हो गए, आज भी हम चीजें समझ रहे हैं और देख रहे हैं और क्या कर सकते हैं, उस पे काम कर रहे हैं, like that। So yeah, good 15 years
हाँ,
to really
15 ईयर से
establish।
आप एस्टेब्लिश। पर जब आपने एनर्जी देना शुरू किया, वो टाइम कब से है कि आपने एग्रेसिवली इस ब्रांड को बिल्ड करने के लिए सोचा है? वो कब से शुरू किया
देखो,
आपने?
I'll tell you, अगर आप ऐसे ऐसे इस तरीके से बात करें तो फिर 2010, then I would say 10 years, the day my father launched this, वो सिर्फ he eat, drink, live, talk, dream about tea। Sher Punjab tea is the only thing he talks to people, and he tells you that he says this is a God gift to me, I am not qualified to do this. This is his words, he tells this everybody, I'm not qualified for this thing, kind of a thing, I was somebody else, God has brought me into this, so it is his gift to me, that he wants me, through me, that I try to give something really a good quality, a pure quality thing to the customers। So that's so I would say till 10 years, since 10 years he has been aggressively, आप ये मेरे अंदर जो पैशन देख रहे हो, या मेरे अंदर जो आप एनर्जी देख रहे हो, ये is been transformed from him to me। हम जब उन्होंने शुरू की तो हमें इतना अच्छा कि nice, okay, we used to have the tea and we used to love the tea and all that, but now that I've come into this, I have realized it is amazing thing what he's doing। I thank him a lot, every time we get an order or we do something nice, I always tell Papa, you've done a great job. He's so proud of you, what you have thought. And he's 75 plus, Vivek. In this COVID, हम उनको पीछे खींचते जाते हैं कि मत जाओ बाहर. वो कहते तुम बैठो, मेरे को जाने दो. He feels कि मेरा time waste हो रहा है, मुझे क्यों अंदर बिठाया हुआ है, मुझे करने दो काम. Like that passion and that energy. So I only have 50% of that energy right now. I don't have that. उनकी एनर्जी जो है वो मैं मैच नहीं कर सकती. When he walks faster than me. I walk behind him. So it is like that. So it is all his energy, his passion that we have imbibed in us now, and now we are looking through his vision. What I'm talking is actually what I've learned all these 10 years from him, day, night. It has been repeated 1,000 times, and we have got it in our heads like that. So yeah, we totally believe in him, and we totally believe what he's done is a great thing. So we want to help him. My dream is to make his dream come alive. That's my dream. To make his dream come alive, that he sees that people are really enjoying a good tea. That's that good product.
और जो आपके कस्टमर्स है उनका क्या फीडबैक है, मतलब जो ब्लेंडेड टी और ये जो आपकी है,
हाँ,
दोनों में क्या मतलब?
तो ब्लेंडेड, देखो, वी से नॉन ब्लेंडेड. प्योरली जब हम बोलते हैं नॉन ब्लेंडेड, तो हम ये बोलते हैं कि too many mixing of things, no chemicals, no fragrance, no unnecessary things जो आपके लिए harmful होता है, वो blend नहीं है. या घटिया क्वालिटी की जो चाय होती है वो blend नहीं है. हाँ, अगर blended चाय बुरी नहीं होती, लेकिन अगर आप हाई क्वालिटी टू हाई क्वालिटी, अच्छी क्वालिटीज अगर आप ब्लेंड करो, वो टेस्ट के लिए या कुछ भी उसका पर्पस होना चाहिए. If you're blending a tea, what is the purpose of blending something? Otherwise, if you have a tea in a natural form, why not have that? Okay, so it is like that. So that's the reason. हमारे clients, जो भी जितने भी customers हैं, धीरे-धीरे over the years, ट्रेड फेयर होता है दिल्ली में हर साल. 14 नवंबर से शुरू होता है, 29 नवंबर को खत्म होता है. एंड टी बोर्ड हमें इनवाइट करता है अपने साथ ट्रेड फेयर में स्टॉल लगाने के लिए, एग्जिबिट करने के लिए. एंड ओवर द इयर्स आई हैव सीन पीपल जब भी आते हैं ट्रेड पे, तो हम अभी हमारी वेबसाइट अब आ रही है. पहले कॉन्टैक्ट्स इतने जैसे सोशल मीडिया पे इतने अवेलेबल हम नहीं थे. नाउ वी आर ऑन ऑनलाइन वी आर. So they used to keep hunting for us. They used to keep calling us, कहाँ पे हैं आप, हमको आपके हिसाब से वो लेना है, पिछले साल लेके गए थे, and all that. So they have been lot of people who have now totally shifted to this sort of brand, and they don't want to go back. Once they have shifted, they don't want to go back because they have realized that this is what we want to drink. We don't want to drink anything else. It is like that. So we would say the return clients are they're going 100%. They really come back and then they just keep taking this tea. फिर वो कुछ और नहीं पीते. So वो believe करते हैं हमें अब हमको आपकी quality आपका ही चाहिए. They are always happy. They have because I tell you, because what we are doing is, Vivek, we are trying to control the quality. हमने कुछ garden selected हैं जिनसे हमें पता है इसकी इस grade की चाय अच्छी है, इसकी इस grade की, तो हमें पता है हम किससे क्या लेते हैं, तो वही हम control करते हैं. तो बीच में कोई कंट्रोलर नहीं है. It is us who order those sort of tea, and we get those tea to us only, and then we source it out to the retail store and to the clients directly. So it's just that. So that's how we have that control and the quality, and it's you can't mix the quality with anything else.
Where do you store this quantity? Like where you have your storage facility and all?
Yeah, we have storage facility. We have an office there, and we also have a warehouse. A small. So for timing, that's good enough for us.
Which location you have?
So I'm in Delhi.
Delhi. Okay.
Delhi. So in Delhi and in South Delhi, we have based in South Delhi.
Okay.
So यहाँ से all over India, even we have exported to Australia, and now we are planning to do a few exports to Canada, because वहाँ पे Canada में बहुत Indians and then Punjabis are there, so they can really relate to it. They have that connection. So all that. But yeah, Australia say it was a fantastic response. So we love that. but majorly अभी दिल्ली में stores में था. And now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to reach out to everyone. This is what I'm trying to do, you know.
So who is your
Mumbai
logistics
is
partner?
my favorite.
Who is your logistics
Anjali?
partner? Who is your like logistics that you have hired a partner for like?
So we work with other companies, like, you know, there are different courier guys we work with. You know, Continental Courier जो दिल्ली में है वो हमारे लिए हम शुरू से जानते हैं, वो हमारे लिए काम करते हैं. तो ऐसे करके अपने partners हैं, you know, who we work with.
Yeah, because
that is not.
You need to have very professional partners in this, because in FMCG sector,
yeah,
plays a very big role.
Yeah.
Your product should be delivered on right time before the expiry note.
Yeah. But right now, Amazon is the best way to buy it.
Yeah.
I would say Amazon is the really, because, you know, with Amazon you can't go wrong. Plus, abhi to, you know, right now it is Amazon. We sort of Amazon source it through us. मतलब हम deliver करते हैं Amazon पर, Amazon लेता है. लेकिन अब within a few weeks हम Amazon के warehouse में ही रखवा देंगे. So उस way में और भी जल्दी और भी controlled तरीके से it will go to the people like that. So that's what we are trying to do now. So right now with Amazon, but we have all proper partners who we work with. I mean, even for samples and all that, when we do that, we have our proper partners who we work with. What we are trying to tell you is we already have that control on the quality. We know what we do. We don't change it. It does not get changed. So it is something which is already, the gardens are already sorted, because we've already done lab tests for all these products. So we know what quality we are buying, and that's the quality that continues. Slowly, gradually, we will keep adding different products. Like there's an orthodox tea we want to add, which is actually very, very, it's a very good tea. लोग कई बार वो tea leaves होता है, लोग अपनी normal CTC जो चाय होता है उसमें mix करते हैं. So it depends. उसका strong taste होता है, bitter होता है थोड़ा सा. वो countries जहाँ बहुत ठंड होती है, generally उन countries में people like it. So slowly, gradually, we'll add this. But right now, it's the normal CTC tea जो सब आप लोग लेते हैं, you know, पीते हैं, just that. So this is a normal tea.
How much is the price difference? Like for example, normal
tea.
Sorry,
price difference.
If I like compare to any Red Label and your tea.
So it's not really very expensive, I would say, but it is like little there. It's actually कई हमारे जैसे sizes हैं वो reasonable है.
Okay.
हमारे कुछ साइजेस जैसे अगर आप उसको कंपेयर करना चाहते हैं ब्रुक बॉन्ड से, टाटा से, तो ऑलमोस्ट वी आर देयर, बिकॉज टाटा की अपनी एक प्रीमियम क्वालिटी है, ब्रुक बॉन्ड की भी एक अपनी प्रीमियम क्वालिटी है. तो दे आर सेलिंग अराउंड 5 और 490 480. वी आर सेलिंग 1 kg गोल्ड लेबल एट 480. एंड जो लाइन ब्रांड है जो ज्यादा हायर क्वालिटी प्रीमियम चाय है, दैट इज 1 kg फॉर 600, लाइक दैट. So it depends on what quality we are doing. So 1 kg is good enough, and we are not that expensive. See, we're trying to reach the market, but again, we also have to exist. So if we have to exist, we have to control the rate. Also get some money and then keep moving forward. It's like that. But isn't there no way too expensive? kg 800 की है, no ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It is not like that.
It is slightly on the higher side, but it is you are trying to meet that as soon as possible.
But see, again, I will not be able to. Why I don't want to compare myself with these tea. I don't compare myself with Brook Bond, because हम उनकी वो auction की चाय है.
Yeah.
अगर हम auction से हम directly आप organic के लिए जैसे एक different rate लेते हैं, तो आप उसको सोचो कि why organic के लिए अब, so it is like in the same lines. I can't compare myself to them because they are auction tea and I'm not.
So who is your like organic competitor or near to you? Who is your competitor, or maybe who is equivalent to your in organic form?
If I mean, honestly, I don't save ourselves as organic also, because we are pure, but we are not really organic. But you can call us in that organic field. So बहुत सारे players हैं. Amazon पे भी अगर आप देखेंगे, वंधावन करके है. There are a lot of players. हमारा हर्ब्स करके है, you know, ऐसे. पर फिर वो बात है, वो लोग ब्लेंड करते हैं, मगर हम ब्लेंड नहीं करते हैं. तो इसलिए हम एक्चुअली में इंडियाज फर्स्ट नॉन ब्लेंडेड टी है. तो जो इस फील्ड में एक्चुअली ज्यादा है ही नहीं. देयर इज नॉट मच, यू नो. अगर फैब इंडिया की आप देखना चाहते हो, तो कई वो चाय रखते हैं जो उनकी नॉन ब्लेंडेड होती है. तो वो 100 ग्राम भी शायद आपको 200-300 रुपए में मिलेगी, यू नो, लाइक दैट. सो उस कंपैरिजन में हम बहुत बेटर है, दैट वे. सो हर कोई नहीं है इसमें, बिकॉज बाकी लोग ब्लेंड करते हैं और फिर हम नॉन ब्लेंडेड है, तो इन कंपैरिजन वी रियली नॉट मच कंपटीशन आल्सो। बट या कुछ बुटीक्स है होती है, चाय बुटीक्स, टी शॉप्स होती है जो शायद नॉन ब्लेंडेड रखते होंगे, बट देन अगेन दे आर लाइक उनकी 100 ग्राम्स तक भी 200 300 100 ग्राम्स, whereas अगर हमारा 250 ग्राम्स होगा वो शायद 250 का होगा। Again there's a huge difference, so we are much cheaper than in that case. It's like that, you know, because we don't, हमारे जो expenses हैं हम कट भी बहुत कुछ कट कर देते हैं बीच में, जो एक नॉर्मल चाय के लिए, तो एक नॉर्मल चाय के लिए बहुत सारे एक्सपेंसेस हैं। दैट्स द रीजन वो जिस प्राइस पे प्रोक्योर होती है, उस प्राइस पे अगर आना चाहे मार्केट में आराम से आ सकती है, नॉर्मल प्राइस पे आती है। अगर वही हाई क्वालिटी की चाय वो पे, तो वो आप सोचो कहाँ पे जाके खत्म होगी, वो इट विल बी टू एक्सपेंसिव व्हेन इट रीचेस, सो वी कट डाउन ऑल दोस स्टेप्स। That's the reason we are able to sell it.
You faced initially, like any challenges you faced initially when you joined to understand product or promote it?
There are a lot of challenges. The main challenge is how to make people understand. Because people only see, oh, that is the chai I have, that is very good, it is reasonable, this is बस इसमें तो अभी इसमें क्या है, non blended blended क्या करने का, you know, like that kind of a thing is
so India
to make them
yeah, they have like that technology terminology called कितना देती है, वो एक है, वो ad एक आई थी मारुति का, basically everything in there कितना average देती है वैसे।
education, basically it's all education. We want to tell them आपको health benefits अभी नहीं समझ में आ रहे, लेकिन आपको वो चाय नुकसान जो कर रही है आपको ख्याल करना पड़ेगा। इट इज नॉट अ गुड थिंग। आप चाय इतनी पीते हैं दिन में, उसकी इतने बुरे हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स हो रहे हैं, तो बेटर है आप चाय लो थोड़ी। आप अच्छा, दूसरी एक और चीज होती है, प्योर टी, यू नो, यू जस्ट नीड टू जस्ट पुट 1 teaspoon or 1.5 is good enough to give you that flavor. You don't really have to put 2-3 spoons together to really, you know, make a good tea. It does not work like that. You know, तो कम यूज होती है, वो सब छोटी छोटी चीजें होती है जो जब एक बंदा लेता है उसको पता है कि हाँ ये सही चाय है, वो पहचान लेता है। It's like that. So educate people, to make them aware is very important. This is the biggest challenge we are facing right now. Biggest challenge. Everything else is not that big. To educate people, to make them understand why we are saying this is we are saying this is a purity, to you know, you have to trust and believe it is that what we are giving you. It's like that.
Great. हरमीत, ये जो ऑफलाइन और ऑनलाइन, अभी आपने Amazon पे आपका प्रोडक्ट लिस्ट हो चुका है, ठीक है, आपका ब्रांड, तो क्या डिफरेंस है मतलब ऑफलाइन सेलिंग में और ऑनलाइन सेलिंग में, तो आपको क्या डिफरेंस नजर आ रहा है?
ऑफलाइन सेलिंग में बस ये फर्क होता है कि एक पर्सनल कनेक्शन बन जाता है। यू नो, स्टोर्स में आप जब लोग लेते हैं तो हमारी सेल्स गर्ल या जो भी होते हैं वो बहुत इजीली आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देती है, लोग फटाफट कैच कर लेते हैं, वो समझ जाते हैं। ऑनलाइन में यू आर नॉट देयर प्रेजेंट, यू नो, प्रेजेंट टू एक्सप्लेन इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स में व्हाई यू आर इम्पोर्टेंट। दैट इज द राइट वे टू कनेक्ट, इज यू नो, दैट इज another little challenge what we're trying to come up to make people understand why we are there, why we are important to have this tea, and what this tea brings to you. So that is the only big personal connection होता है, और ऑनलाइन पे personal connection नहीं होता है। वो बस एक इंसान को जो पता चल जाता है कि हाँ हमें चाहिए, या वो पढ़ लेता है कि ओके दे आर सेइंग प्योर, तो लेट्स ट्राई, तो वो उस पे बिलीव करता है। एक स्टोरी जो आपने दिखा दी वो उसके ऊपर आपकी वो प्रोडक्ट खरीद लेता है, पर एक पर्सनल कनेक्शन होता है ऑफलाइन।
पर प्रॉफिट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ऑनलाइन की जो स्पीड है प्रॉफिट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से और ओवरऑल बिजनेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, ऑनलाइन मतलब सपोर्ट कर रहा है ना आपको कैसा लग रहा है अभी Amazon पे जो आपने लिस्ट किया है? तो
हाँ, Amazon पे हमने अभी मतलब it's been a good feedback. All the reviews have come, good feedback, reviews आने शुरू हो गए and orders आ रहे हैं, चाहे you know different quality, different sizes लोग ले रहे हैं, but they've already started. So like that, so orders आ रहे हैं, slowly gradually orders आ रहे हैं, plus हम बहुत सारे corporate offices में भी you know already, जैसे मारुति का corporate offices हैं, so we have started giving it to them, तो उनके 8 offices हैं, तो already 3 offices में जा रहा है, you know, like that. So ऐसे करके ऑटो इंडस्ट्री है और different corporates हैं, प्लस हमारे बहुत सारे ऐसे फ्रेंड्स और you know और colleagues हैं जो अपनी organic वेबसाइट्स लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, तो वहां पे उन्होंने ऑलरेडी हमें बोल दिया कि हमने आपको लिस्ट कर दिया, आप अपना रेडी रखो, दैट यू आर गोइंग टू सेंड इट टू अस। तो ऐसे लोग भी बहुत कीन है हमारे प्रोडक्ट को लेके आने में। तो ऑनलाइन सिर्फ अमेजोन नहीं रहेगा, बहुत सारे जो यू नो ऑनलाइन वेबसाइट्स है, जो ऑर्गेनिक वेबसाइट्स है, they are also willing to launch us like that.
Super.
Yeah, so yeah, hoping for good. Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
Neha,
Thank you.
So yes. Guys, anyone is having any more questions?
Since we are recording it, so we have a chance, like if you can run the presentation through 5 minutes, it will be recorded. So we will keep ourselves mute. So that we will,
Okay.
yeah, we will mute all of them, and then because then it will be a good collection for all of us.
right.
But then will I be able to run it? Because
Yeah, there is time. Yeah, there is time. So you can.
No, host आप होगा आशीष अभी.
No,
host
but
आप होना.
host आप.
No, but
कोई बात
recording
नहीं,
is going on. No? You can share the screen, no problem. You have the option.
No, it tells me, it says only the host can share the screen. No?
Okay, you don't have option to share the screen now.
That's okay. So that's
No,
okay.
no
I think,
problem.
So,
yeah, no problem. So you've heard me, that's good enough.
Yeah, it's our pleasure. I would say
और
this was more than tea, it was a selling, how to sell the product. That's the training this was. The way you sold.
I like passion.
Yeah,
हरमीत, आपका जो पैशन और एनर्जी है ना, एटीट्यूड है, बहुत ही ज्यादा पॉजिटिव है. तो ये बहुत जरूरी है कि आपको आपका जो एटीट्यूड है आपके सर्विस के बारे में वो दिखता है, वो बहुत जरूरी है. तो मुझे काफी मतलब इंस्पायरिंग लगा और थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू हरमीत.
Thank you,
guys,
Neha.
we are going to conclude this meet today, and I just want to thank Harmeet for sharing this lovely details about the Shere Punjab tea brand. Now I want to ask Vivek and Ashish to share what they have taken from her presentation. Just a one line. Vivek, you can go first.
जैसे मैंने अभी बोला है कि पैशन बहुत जरूरी है. आप वो जब हरमीत जब बात कर रही है तो अनस्टॉपेबल है हरमीत. इतना कन्विक्शन, इतना पैशन, इतना वो प्रोडक्ट के बारे में जो उनका है ना, वो दिखता है. वो उनका मतलब कि ये एनर्जी होनी चाहिए. अगर हम कुछ भी चीज अगर हमारी शेयर कर रहे हैं लोगों के साथ, तो ये पैशन होना चाहिए. और मैं डेफिनेटली अमेजोन पे जाके मैं बाय करूंगा प्रोडक्ट. सिर्फ मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था कि नॉर्मली हमको क्या होता है, जैसे महाराष्ट्र में लोगों को आदत होती है कि ऐसी चाय मिलेगी जिससे किक बैठे. तो ऑलरेडी आपका ब्रांड में नाम ही शेर पंजाब है, तो ऐसी किक बैठेगी ना, मतलब कि हम भाई काम आलस आ जाता है, लेजी हो जाते हैं, तो वो चाय पी के हमको
makes you fresh. That's the whole idea. When we say it's a garden fresh, you get that garden, you feel that you're sitting in the garden and having it. That's the whole idea.
Awesome. I would love to hear Ashish.
Yeah, I was about to ask, are you exporting it to Dubai or this Gulf market or not? Because I am at Oman right now, so I will be looking for it whenever I go to store next time. So any plans to export to?
Definitely, Ashish, हमारे plans बहुत ही strong है. Definitely, we want to do that. Slowly, gradually, we are looking for a lot of people, and I would love to especially do it Middle East. Because they love tea, and I know they are the people who know the quality and the value of tea.
Correct.
So definitely Middle East, we would love to share. But let's see when the opportunity comes. Yeah, but I'll let you know for sure. Where are you based?
Yeah, I'm at Oman, Muscat.
Oh, love Oman. I've been to Oman. I know Muscat.
Great. It's a very beautiful country.
It's beautiful city.
Yeah, and actually, there is when people think that this is a with temperature place, with a very high temperature place, but tea demand is very high here, because what happens, like ACs are continuously on in most of the places, so people love tea as well. So it was even surprising for me that even you won't believe that all of you that even blankets are sold very high in numbers here. I was thinking that this is a hot country, how can blanket can be sold? But then I saw that there is a demand for this product as well. So these are different, like we should not think of geographical limitations. You should start exploring the areas it can hit to any of the areas. So
Sure, I'll keep
I'm
that
a
in mind.
personally very big tea fan, so so I will
Wow.
preferably go
I'll
and
try my best to reach it out to you कैसे भी करके. Let's see मैं figure out
yeah,
कर लूँगी शायद.
please,
Soon you
please.
will have it. I will make
Definitely.
sure you have it. Yeah, sure.
Great.
Even अगर आप मुंबई अगर आते हैं कभी भी तो आप मुझे बताइए. We'll definitely share it
Yes,
with
yes.
you or try to
Next
send it.
time,
Yeah,
whenever I will plan,
that would.
we'll drop a message, of course.
Yeah, just drop a message. बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. But before that, if I can reach out to Muscat, nothing like it.
Yeah, please. I would suggest you if you can make it. So you will
I'll
have
try to find out. बिल्कुल, I'll try to find out. Sure. Yeah. Thank you very much for
Thank you,
this.
Neha, for nice
Lovely.
hosting. I like the way this meeting is hosted, and this was the most beautiful hosting we had from last 1 month. So far, it was just all rude men were talking and people were sleeping. So, if such soft voice is there, people like to keep listening and all.
Thank you
No,
so much, Ashish. I just want to say something about Harmeet and the brand and today's presentation. One thing which I love the most about Harmeet is she is well articulated person. She is well read and well heard. One thing is this. Second, what I love the most about you, Harmeet, is your straightforward approach about everything. And second, that is what speaks with your brand as well. What I always love is this, you have said it since day one, that it's pure chai, which I always, as you know, I'm a tea addict person. I always describe myself a caffeine dependent entrepreneur. That is what I describe myself. So definitely, I'm looking forward to that Shere Punjab chai. I have already spoken with my family to get a sample for them, and very soon I'm going to share it which tea I'm having it. Thank you
lovely.
so
That's
much.
great.
Lovely
Thank you so much,
presentation.
Neha. You really spoken such, introduction was also so great. And again, I'm like overwhelmed. Thank you very much.
Great. Can you
I
show
am
the tea bag or something before we end the session, so that it will be there in this? Harmeet, you have any logo or anything to show? Any sample of tea jar or something?
Uh, Actually, it was in my presentation
Okay,
again.
okay.
Uh, but yeah. But 1 second, I think I have something that I can probably show it from my phone. So basically, 1 second.
Actually, I can use for the today's photos that you have sent, so that will be on the part of this.
Right, right.
Actually, it is in the group also.
Yeah, yeah, you have
But
sent it.
but I'll just
व्हाट्सएप में है वो
WhatsApp group
फोटो.
में है.
Yeah, yeah,
And I'll can send you the other things. But basically, it's just this is I don't know if you can see it. But this is the whole family
yeah. Great,
what we
great.
have. It's already in the group
Yeah,
there.
in the group,
So
no problem.
yeah. And the logo is basically I'll quickly tell you quickly. The logo is, if you see the logo, it's a lion. So
Yeah.
Shere Punjab, the logo was designed by our great grandfather. Actually, it's a lion, and see the lines underneath that logo. Those are 5 rivers of Punjab,
Okay.
which was there before partition. All the rivers, that 5 lines नीचे वो rivers है, and there's a little map. So उस time पे जो पूरा Punjab was that. So it is actually that old logo since 1910. That's the logo of the company.
Okay.
Wow.
So
Wow.
we have. So
Very
just
nice.
before we end, I would request just tell us 5 reasons why we should have Shere Punjab tea.
You should have Shere Punjab tea because it is 100% pure, non-blended tea. It has all the good health benefits that you want. It keeps you fresh. It really does not, lead any acidity at all, and which is actually very important. And honestly, it is a very, very genuine product. I mean, I can keep on going again. I can start the whole program again. So
Great, great. I am
but
learning from
it
you.
is a very genuine thing which we want people to enjoy, and it's overall an experience that you will love it.
Great. Over to you, Neha.
So thank you so much, guys. Harmeet, thanks a lot for such a lovely presentation. I'll look forward to host you again to a bigger audience. I hope I did
Thank you.
justice to your
Yeah,
work and
sure.
your ethics and the quality and the the stronghold you bring it on the screen. That is what I admire the most. And Vivek, thanks a lot for trusting me to host this super lady. And I wish Harmeet very, very, very all the best. I know there is only growth for you. And I know how hard and how dedicated you are to your brands. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Neha. Thank you, Ashish. Thank you, Vivek. Finally, so we did a presentation. Thank you very
Yeah.
much.
So I will
Thank
upload
you.
and share the link. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Good
Yes,
night.
yes.
Good night.
Harmeet,
Thank you, guys.
just share the link of the Amazon in the group.
I will share it now again. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
guys.
Good
Thank
night.
you very much. Good night.
Good night.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Good
Good
night.
night. Thank
Bye,
you.
Ashish. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Ashish, Harmeet, Neha. Good night.
Good night.